Hello, fearless learners, it's Halima. Today we are at the bank, and this lesson is a little bit longer, so I'm going to divide it into two parts. The first part is going to be phrases, different sentences that you might need, but because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm going to divide it into two to help you fully understand how certain words are said, certain vocabulary used specifically at the bank. So the first sentence is, I'd like to withdraw 100, please. 100 pounds, please. I'd like to withdraw 100 pounds, please. I'd like to withdraw 100 pounds, please. So withdraw, the word withdraw, is a verb meaning to take out. So you want to take a little bit of your money out of the bank. So I'd like to withdraw 100 pounds, please. Or I would like to withdraw 100 pounds, please. Remember, you can say I'd or you can say I would. The next one is the person might, once they say, okay, they could ask you this question: how would you like the money? And that now it's up to you to answer with, how do you want the notes to be? How do you want the cash to be? Do you want it in tens? Do you want it in £20 notes? How would you like it? So you could maybe want it in coins or £5. I think they don't make £5 anymore. But so you could say in tens, please. In tens, please, for example. Or in 20s, please. And the person will take out lots of different notes and give you the amount that you asked also. Okay, I hope that's clear. The next thing I wanted to share is, if you wanted to do anything like open a bank account and so on, you need identification, you need ID. So they will ask you, have you got any identification? Have you got any identification? Or have you got any ID? Both of those are the same. So you could say, I've got my passport, I've got my driving license, I have got my ID card, and so on. I'll say that again. I've got my passport. I've got my passport. I've got my driving license. I've got my driving license. I've got my ID card. I've got my ID card. Now let's move on to problems that you might have at the bank. If you lose your card, you can say, I've lost my bank card. I've lost my bank card. Or if someone's stolen your card, you could say something like, I want to report a stolen card. I want to report a stolen card. Let's say you've lost your internet banking password. So internet banking is either an app that you have on the phone and you can't log on to the app because you've forgotten your password. So you can say, I've forgotten my internet banking password. I've forgotten my internet banking password. I've forgotten my internet banking password. Another thing is, you might have forgotten your PIN. So when you're at the ATM machine where you can take out money, you need your PIN to get out any money. So to withdraw any money. So you can say, I've forgotten the PIN number for my card. I've forgotten the PIN number for my card. So the clerk will say to you, I'll have a new one sent out to you. I'll have a new one sent out to you. I'll have a new one sent out to you, which means that they'll send the new PIN number through the post and you'll receive it at your home address. The next thing is, let's say you've moved to a new location. You can say to the bank clerk, I'd like to tell you about a change of address. And that's when you can give them your proof of address for the new place that you live, and and show them your new address so you can change it in the system. So I hope that was helpful. We just finished part 1. In part 2, I'm going to go through more advanced vocabulary related to being at the bank. And I'm also going to show you all the different parts of a card. So, what is a sort code? What is an account number? What is the expiry date? All of those will be explained. If you like this lesson, please share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.